Hi all, it's Christy again from Christy's Out and About travelling. Here's a picture of my Delica or video for you. There you go. I've done all of this myself. So it's got a solar 200 watt solar panel on there on the roof and TV antenna inside. Has a Codan. It's a bit messy. I need to clean it up a little bit, but it has a Codan radio in there. And I've got recovery stuff there. Fire extinguisher there. 75 litre dual fridge freezer, which is awesome. TV and some these jacks here. And my bed. I used to have my angle in here and it used to be a lot smaller than this fridge, and this bed is designed to slide out, but because it's the same height as this, I just put my feet just overhang it, just come to about here. So yeah, just to let you know how big the bed is, but the bed's awesome, very good. And the TV goes out, swings out, so you can have it in, so it's in the centre of the car. And I've also got 50 amp DC to DC charger just there, and it's all clips in using those clips there. And then in here there's all under bed storage. This battery here I'm going to take out because it's about 10 years old. Full river deep cycle battery. It still goes, but it's just yeah, needs to be changed. This one here is about 120 amp or something, I think. I don't know, I can't remember now. I bought it last year, so that's a slimline one. And I've got a 50 amp cut-off thing there as well. And also here, this is for the solar panel. I can have the solar panel going into there, but it's gets too hot, so I thought it was safer here. And it's all fused out and everything. It's all fused and everything, so there's fuses everywhere. Yeah, so I've got inverter as well that I use. And then on here, I've got my little trailer here. There's a 120 watt solar panel on there, and then if I want to, I can just plug that straight into my battery bank. But yeah, so there you go. It's about my van. I know it's old, but it says 1996 Series 1, 2.8 turbo diesel. And it's been pretty reliable. I bought it back in 2006, and yeah, so that's for the Codan antenna. Yeah, so there you go.